Slag excavator. Slag removal in kilns is always difficult. At the Enterpipe steel plant, they use heavy loaders to get the slag out. To be able to accomplish this task, the machines need to modify to work in extremely hot conditions. The tires need to be covered with braided steel, all plastic lights are removed, and the car's window need to be replaced with a heat-resistant one. All are built to be able to work at a 2000 degrees Celsius. RoboMax JD. This state-of-the-art single-operator compact sod harvester is easy to maneuver and comes standard with 4-wheel drive. It's capable of producing pallet after pallet of 16, 23 or 24 inches, small rolls in a multiple stacking patterns, even in a tender conditions. A simple robotic stacking system gently transfers 4 or 5 rolls of turf in a time to rear-mounted pallets. They are easily handled with a forklift. An optional double-sided pallet injector is also available. T1255 Terrain Leveler. Efficiently conduct surface mining extraction, remove ground surface and create a smooth, level area for site preparation, road construction or soil remediation with a T1255 Terrain Leveler SEM. Chain drive attachment. When you need to get in extract material close to the high wall, this attachment gives you the capability to cut along a vertical high wall. It has a maximum cutting depth of 27 inches. The chains are driven by low-speed, high-torque hydrostatic motors. CLF Rust 33. Railway construction will be 25% more efficient. With a snap module that handles fast clip FC and VE fastenings, the sleepers are snapped to the rail in the same moment as the laying. Save on personnel and create a safe workplace. Only machine drivers and occasional ground personnel are needed for the construction of the railway. The concept is well suited in the tight spaces where access road cannot be built, but there is no space for work machines next to the track. Sweat-Truck TMF. Sweat-Truck TMF is a powerful timber truck, which despite its size, it's easy to maneuver and maintain. Sweat-Truck can adapt your machine so that it fits your workplace in the best way. Sweat-Truck TMF machines are used in the sawmills, paper mills, and the pulp industry. The machine is designed to provide the operator with a good working environment that promotes high production capacity. Sweat-Truck TMF is built with well-known quality components combined with many years of experience, which provides recognized reliable machines for fast, safe, and cost-effective timber handling in heavy operations.